Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make another quick and short video and show you guys a trick on how to start your snow blower when it's very cold, when you know for sure that the engine of your blower is very cold. For example, last weekend in Manitoba we had temperatures of about minus 25 degrees Celsius before the wind chill factor. That's pretty cold. And so if you have a blower that has not been used for a long time and you are facing those kinds of temperatures, you might have issues trying to start your blower either manually or using power. Some blowers like this one, you can start them using electricity or manually, and I have both links in the description on how to start this machine manually or using electricity. I have both links in the description of this video. If you're interested on those videos, you can go ahead and watch them as well. And so last week I wanted to use my blower. I was very cold. I tried the manual method to start it. It could not start. I also tried to use electricity. It could not start. I know my blower is good. No mechanical issues. I had put fresh oil and fresh gasoline. So I knew that the engine was not starting simply because it was just too cold. So the trick, guys, all I did was I brought an external heater and just put it close to the engine area of my blower. I plugged it in and just left it there to blow the heat towards the engine parts of my blower for about 15 minutes. And then I came back after 15 minutes. I started the blower right away, guys. Even though I'm calling it a trick, it's really not a trick. It's just common sense, you know. We have an engine, it is freezing, it is not starting, it's so cold. And then if we can just warm it up, it just makes it start faster, you know. This is something that we can all do, but most of the time we don't think about things like this. That's the reason why I said, okay, let me just make this quick video. It might help somebody, you know. If you're in such a situation, just warm up your engine, give a little heat to the engine parts, and you see it's gonna start. So if you know you've used this method before and it has helped you, let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to share, to like this video, and to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.